Hello everyone! This is the story of the very busy spider. She's a busy spider. It's by Eric Carle. And it's got lots of animals. There's a spider on the cover. And this spider has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. It's a sunny day. Is it sunny where you are? Early one morning, the wind blew a spider across the field. A silky thread trailed from her body, and the spider landed on a fence post near a farm. There's the fence. And she began to spin a web with her silky thread. "Nay, nay," said the horse. It's a horse. "Do you want to go for a ride?" But the spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. She goes across and down. There she is. "Moo, moo," said the cow. "Do you want to eat some grass?" But the spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Busy spinning her web. "Bah, bah," bleated the sheep. "Do you want to run in the meadow?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Who's next? "The goat!" "Meh, meh," said the goat. "Do you want to jump on the rocks?" But the spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. And look, she's gone to the middle of the web. "Oink, oink," grunted the pig. "Do you want to roll in the mud?" Roll, roll, roll. But the spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. And now she's going round and round and round. "Woof, woof," barked the dog. "Do you want to chase the cat?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Round and round and round. "Meow, meow," said the cat. "Do you want to take a nap? Do you want to have a sleep?" No, the spider didn't answer. She's very busy spinning her web. She can't sleep. No. She's busy spinning her web. Round and round and round. "Quack, quack, quack," called the duck. "Do you want to go for a swim?" Swim, swim, swim. No, the spider didn't answer. She had now finished her web. It's finished. What a beautiful web. finished. Cock-a-doodle-doo, crowed the rooster. Do you want to catch a fly? Look, a fly. It's trying to catch the fly. And the spider caught the fly in her web, just like that. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, asked the owl. Who built this beautiful web? The spider didn't answer. She had fallen asleep. She's sleeping. It had been a very, very busy day. She's tired. Oh. Well done, Spider. What a beautiful web. And that's The Very Busy Spider by Eric Carle. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.